The purpose of this video is to show you how Odoo and Shopify can be integrated. Essentially, what I'm going to do is create orders in Shopify and show you how those orders can be passed through and created in Odoo so that you can engage the rest of your workflow in Odoo. All right, simple enough. Let's get started. So I'm going to manually create an order here. Of course, orders can originate by way of creation through the front end of your web store, or you can go and manually create them in the back end. I'm going to manually create it in the back end for the sake of time. I have a product called basket or t-shirt. Let's go with t-shirt here. And I am going to add a random amount like 588 units, which is pretty random. Customer, let's go ahead and create a new customer. We'll just call this person CKA and go ahead and save. Here, let's push the payment off, due later. Of course, you could initiate payment here as well. We could get into invoice creation, etc. in Odoo, but for the sake of this demo, we will skip this and just go ahead and proceed with the creation of the order. Now, once I confirm, it will of course confirm the order in Shopify. And now let's take a look at what is created in Odoo. So when I go to orders in Odoo, you'll see at the top of my list created at 1:08, 9:55. You'll see now it's 9:56. This was created 7:55 and 57 seconds versus just less than a minute ago. When I open it up, you'll see it's for the product t-shirt, 588 units. The amount transitions as well. And most importantly, of course, your delivery order is created for the corresponding quantity of units that you are now obligated to ship to this customer. That is what really allows for you to engage the workflow. So going back, another important thing to mention is this customer did not exist. I created this customer when I pushed the data from Shopify into Odoo. Of course, we could get into configuring our connector to map any of the corresponding information that we have coming from Shopify into any of these fields in Odoo. It's all coming over via a JSON payload, and it's just a matter of specifying in your connector which particular fields from Shopify map to what exactly in Odoo, which is something that can be done without too much hassle. The same thing goes for the sell order. If there are particular fields which you want to populate in the Odoo sell order with information that originates on the Shopify sell order, that is also possible to do. And of course, here you would be able to create your invoice in Odoo, or if you wanted to have, again, an invoice created in Shopify and passed over, or if you want to have an invoice created automatically and you want to bring the payment information over from Shopify and you want to reconcile that payment with that invoice in Odoo, all of that is possible. Just through the simple connector that we've developed here. So if you have any questions or if you want to learn more about how this works, I am at your disposal and happy to help. I can be reached at nko@odoo.com. Thanks so much for listening. Looking forward to hearing from you.